If HandBrake is showing a server error on Windows, don't assume it's an internet problem. In most cases, this is a local connection issue between HandBrake's window and its worker engine. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to fix the HandBrake server error step by step so you can get back to encoding without wasting time. And if this guide helps, be sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software fixes. First, let's understand what's actually happening. HandBrake uses a local server setup, which means the main interface talks to the worker process on your own computer, usually through the local IP address 127.0.0.1. So when you see a server error, it usually means that internal connection has broken, not that HandBrake can't reach some website online. The first thing to check is your VPN. If you have a VPN running, turn it off completely. Sometimes VPN software interferes with local loopback traffic, and HandBrake's own self-communication can look suspicious to it. After disabling the VPN, close HandBrake and reopen it. In a lot of cases, that alone is enough to fix the issue. Next, check Windows Firewall. Open the Start menu and search for Allow an API through Windows Firewall. In the list, look for both handbrake.exe and handbrake.worker.exe. Make sure both entries are allowed for private and public networks. This step matters because if the worker process is blocked or quarantined by the firewall, the main HandBrake window can't talk to it, and that triggers the server communication failure. If you don't see both entries or if the boxes are not checked, click Change Settings if needed and enable them properly. Then save your changes and relaunch HandBrake. If the error was caused by a firewall block, this should clear it. Now let's move to the .NET Runtime fix, which is especially important for HandBrake 1.7 and 1.8 on Windows. These versions rely on .NET 8.0 to manage parts of the internal server system. If the .NET installation is damaged, outdated, or unstable, HandBrake may fail to start its internal pipe correctly. To repair it, go to Settings, then Apps, then Installed Apps. In the search bar, type .NET Desktop Runtime 8.0. Once you find it, click the three dots on the right, choose Modify, and then select Repair. Let Windows complete the repair process, then reboot your computer. The reboot is important because it resets the network sockets and background services that HandBrake depends on. If HandBrake previously crashed during an encode, the server port may still be stuck open in the background. That means the next time you launch HandBrake, it can't create a fresh internal server connection. To fix that, close HandBrake completely, then press Ctrl, Shift, and Escape to open Task Manager. Go to the Details tab and look carefully for every instance of handbrake.exe and handbrake.worker.exe, and every single one of them. Don't just close the main window, because the worker process can stay hidden in the background. Killing both processes forces Windows to release the socket or port, which gives HandBrake a clean start the next time you open it. After that, launch HandBrake again and see if the error is gone. If you still get an access denied message, then it's likely a permissions or UAC issue. In that case, right-click your HandBrake shortcut and choose Run as Administrator. That gives HandBrake the elevated permission it may need to start its local worker service properly. Here's the quick way to interpret the error messages. If you see worker failed to connect, that usually points to a firewall or VPN block. If you see pipe closed, that often means the engine crashed and you should do the .NET repair and Task Manager cleanup. And if you see access denied, that usually means a permissions problem, so run it as administrator. So the full fix is simple. Disable your VPN, allow HandBrake and handbrake.worker through Windows Firewall, repair .NET Desktop Runtime 8.0, reboot, end all HandBrake processes in Task Manager, and finally run HandBrake as administrator if needed. That's how you fix the HandBrake server error on Windows. If this tutorial saved you time, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want more HandBrake troubleshooting tips or other software fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.